Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're going to go to garage sales seeking used items that we can flip for cash. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside my spaceship. We also have
E-Money here.
That's right, E-Money here. Are we sponsored today by Kirkland?
We're sponsored by Costco.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, one day, man, one day. We're gonna go hit up some garage sales. I think it's gonna be a great day because, I mean, look at it outside. Just look at it. Smell it. I smell the cheddar. Let's go, man. See what we can find today. Should be really good. First garage sale somewhere down here. It's like 6:55 in the morning, and, you know, take what we can get for the next hour.
No, that's a different one. We'll go to that one too. Oh gosh.
Oh god, it looks terrible.
Organized.
No, that one looked terrible, didn't it?
Yeah.
We just passed it by for like 1 second.
That is the terrible one.
Gosh, that was really bad already. That looks terrible. All right, so we're not gonna go to that one. Next one. Even if we can get a couple under our belt before 8 o'clock, and I think there's a lot of 8 o'clock ones, then, you know, I'll still be happy with that. First garage sale is this one right here. This actually looks pretty good, so we're gonna go check it out right now. There's all kinds of stuff at this one. I didn't find anything there, but E-Money might be getting some video games for some reason. I have no idea. You know, when it comes to video games, Xbox 360 to us is just like, I don't know. I mean, it's super mass produced, and it's really hard to find a super good winner in Xbox 360 land. Although it does exist, but you have to know which ones they are, and they're very few and far between. And so he's popping on one game right there. Found a World Tour?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And then that with the right guitar.
Either the Explorer or the Les Paul or the World Tour guitar will sell locally for 50 bucks.
And then Amazon, how much?
Probably 95.
Okay, cool. So that's what's going on with that game. That's the reason why he picks those up. I mean, I actually missed it. I didn't see that one, so it's all good. Next garage sale, let's go. A lot of boxes and organization, which I usually don't like. But could be good. Could be like total resellers, you never know. Okay, so we didn't find anything there, but as we were like coming back in, this lady put out a keyboard, and E-Money loves flipping keyboards locally, so maybe he'll get it, maybe he won't.
All right, so I passed up on that keyboard. They were asking 20 bucks. Pro tip, testing out all the keys, run your finger down the entire thing, and on the top, half of them were dead, so I had to pass.
Okay, somewhere around here is a garage sale.
Ew.
Ew, what?
Ew.
There's a garage sale right here. It does not look ew at all. It looks kind of interesting. They got clothes hanging up, some randomness behind this car. So, if we find anything here, we'll show you. Okay, we didn't find anything there. There was a reseller there that looked like he was in complete disarray. He was just like talking to himself and mumbling. All right, seriously. I didn't know. I thought he was actually like the seller of this stuff. He was like mumbling to himself about some random stuff that was just like sitting there. Really weird. Anyways, all right, next garage sale. Let's go find one. Next garage sale right here. It doesn't look like anything spectacular, but I see potential. Let's go check it out. All right, so for this garage sale right here, I actually did really well. I got this lady used to work for Lululemon. I got this Lululemon jacket, never worn. This was like 8 bucks. This should resell for like 50 plus all day, like all day. It's a really cool like scuba hoodie looking thing. And a bunch of these running crop things right here for $4 a piece. There's 3 of them. If I can get to my house and I can, you know, kind of evade Whitney, I might be able to sell these on eBay. So eBay here is probably like 100 bucks in like the legging things, and then, you know, I'm 16 into that, no, 12 into that. I got Far Cry 4 and Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. This is just for personal use. You guys tell me if these are any good. I'm just trying to get some more games for, you know, the Xbox One. And then this right here, which I think is just a normal helmet with a BMW logo, you know, strapped on it. But anyways, this is I have to look this thing up and everything like that. But these can be pretty good money, but more than likely 50 plus on eBay. Like,
hey,
more likely. I spent like 8 on this thing. Oh, I see another sign. I gotta find some garage sales.
Ooh, Bob's
Oh, we got bikes. Oh, this is gonna be it. This could be it. So we see bikes. All right, so from that garage sale, that was a magnificent garage sale. That's probably the best one that we're gonna be seeing today, 100%. On the clothing rack for 2 bucks. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Does it get much better than that for 2 bucks? See, here's pro tip, and I said it in a couple videos ago. When you have a clothing rack and you see something magnificent in the clothing rack, you ask how much for pieces in the clothing rack. You never take a piece off and then you show it to the person, the best piece of the whole clothing rack, and go, how much for this? Then it's gonna be marked up. But yeah, she said $2 anything on the rack. And that's when I pulled out the Scully. Dang.
What does it sell for, 90 bucks?
This is somewhere between 50 and 100 all day. Yeah, this is super nice. This is not something you see every day. All right, E-Money found a brand new Tile Pro Series. Is it a Pro Series?
Yeah.
Or Styles? Oh, it's a Pro Series, yeah.
Sport.
No, Pro Series.
Yeah, Sport Pro Series.
Sport Pro Series, okay, cool. And that's brand new?
It's brand new.
And this is basically something you attach to your keys so you don't lose them?
Yeah.
Is that what that is? Cool, nice. But the real kicker are 2 road bikes, bikes to bucks all the way. And by the way, let me show you something real quick, guys, because yeah, let me show you. E-Money, how much was one bike?
The one that I got was $175.
All right. Ooh, all right. But the kicker is if you buy both, right? The kicker is if you buy both bikes, you can get them for let me see if I can get this going. Oh, okay. So the kicker is for both, it was 300. So 300 for both. But then I go to the lady, I'm like, how much for both? Like, what's the best that we can do? And she says, well, you know, we could probably get to 250. Now I'm automatically thinking these two road bikes probably sell considerably, like $300 to $400 a piece. Okay, so that's what they're going to be worth, like in Austin, Texas. But here's the kicker: I sat there and I waited, and I was like, what if I could offer you 240? And E-Money and I split it, and she's like, really, $10? Really? And I said, not really, but I mean, whatever. She goes, okay, whatever. Yeah, 240. I beat her over the head so hard, dude. I don't play around, I'm telling you. So we got these 2 awesome Le Mans road bikes for 240 and a Scully shirt.
That's a nice freaking jacket.
Isn't it?
Shirt. Yeah, super nice.
Money.
Shirt.
It's a large. It don't fit you, but it fits my ego for sure.
No, it won't fit mine.
How is this thing sitting on a shelf? It hasn't even been used, it looks.
My ego wears an XL.
Yeah, right. Your ego wears a freaking medium. I already know it. Yeah, I'll even throw the pedals in if you want that. I was like, whatever. But yeah, those road bikes are sick. So I think in best case scenario, $300 a piece, maybe 400 actually. We'll see.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh, we just stumbled upon a monster of a sale. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's enormous. Hey, Bones, right there, Bones. E-Money's deployed. How much you buy for?
$7. Cirrus Bones 2 sells for 50 locally.
I think it'll sell for 50?
Yeah.
Nice. Hello? Yes. Yes, I have the cheddar. I got all of it today, actually. You can't have any of it, I'm sorry. No, this is not my cell phone. I'm talking from a Bluetooth thing in my car. Just kidding, it's my wall phone. All right, got a wall phone, $5. Pretty awesome. This is gonna be my booth. I mean, it's a cool color. I kind of wish it was like the greenish color, but either way, this is my booth. $40 all day. It'll sell. And then we have an Underwood typewriter. It's in this box. I'll show it to you real quick. Pretty cool. That was like $8. So really nice. That should sell for around 50 in my booth. Not bad. So solid scores right there. What?
Change purse.
You got a change purse?
Change purse.
Nice.
With like a skeleton door and things like that. GoPro 4.
Wow.
With the screen.
With the screen on the back.
Yeah.
Built in. That's crazy.
$20.
$20.
I don't even know what kind of card this is.
Let me see. Yeah, those are just like adapter things.
Adapter.
That's the cover.
Oh, yeah. There's nothing in it.
Yeah, pretty awesome. So basically this right here, that has resale for around 100 right now in town, all day. A Hero 4. So we got Dopios from this place, Thunderbird. Smell them. I feel like I'm super Aquaman'd out right now. Anyways, they smell good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see. Ah! Man, I don't even have to taste this one. It's already a single, maybe a double.
It tastes so good.
This is a 3 to me. Creative, That was a little too loud. It's good. This is good. Thunderbird coffee is always really, really good this time. Very good Doppio. So, See if I can find a couple more garage sales to go to today. Oh, there's my friend Jonathan right there. Hey! Friend Jonathan, he's on the vlog. There he is. Another garage sale right there. I see a bike rack in the far, far back distant corner. We're gonna go check this one out, see if we can find anything here. So, the garage sale behind you over there. Make offer on a rowing machine. They'll never say this. They'll never say the first price because I was like, I would buy this thing for $200 right now. But she was like, how about 50 bucks? Oh my god. All right, so this will probably sell for around $400 to $600 in town. It's a Concept 2 rower, which is pretty awesome. I think it has a PM1 or a PM2. It's a PM2 digital deal, which is definitely working already still, which is huge. So it's awesome. Wind resistance right here. Here's your wind cap right here. So it's nice. It's easy to test out, and it returns. The chain returns properly. Everything is right, perfect. I cannot believe this thing was 50 bucks. It's insane. The last one I ever found of one of these was like 6 years ago. I spent $20 on it on a Goodwill, and I sold it like the same day for 400 bucks. I swear, insane. So, all right, let's put it in. That freaking score was insane. That's like TLP in one flip. I'm serious. I can't believe. Oh my gosh. Make offer. I'm glad I didn't say the first word on that one. Jeez. I don't ever say the first word, but you know what I'm saying? If you're a noob, you probably would have said the first word. The first number. You never want to do that. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. Aquaman tells you right now, don't ever do that. Ever. E-Money. How's the cheddar today?
Dude, it's super sharp. Extremely sharp.
Next garage sale. A lot of rattles going on in this SUV. Let me tell you, man, the spaceship's intergalactic about to separate. The bolts and nuts are coming off. It's very noisy in here. There's a garage sale somewhere around here.
First left.
All right. Okay, we'll get you a little good vantage point for the peeps, the viewers. If you're liking these ride-alongs, don't forget to hit the like button. It's very, very important. I see an office share and I kind of need one.
I know.
All right, E-Money. What do you think? What do you see here? Anything good? Maybe?
Maybe.
Go check this out for free 99. That's right, it's free 99. A freaking office chair. I actually need a newer one, so this is good. It's comfy. My butt was like, dude, you have to get this free chair. My butt said that. It was weird. Anyway, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to maybe a farmer's market. But we're in Terrytown. We're in Central Austin. Free 99. I don't know. I'm thinking I'm getting ripped off, honestly. All right, we're here, farmer's market. Time to get them eggs. Mr. Sam's got the eggs.
How many would you like?
I'm down to 1.5 at the house, so I'm thinking maybe 3 total. Yeah, all right. Let's get those in there.
Check them out for you.
Oh man, that looks good. Ready to eat healthy, guys.
Oh yeah.
Nice. And it came out of this, right?
No, I think you got the animals mixed up.
Oh, sorry. All right, we just came from another garage sale. We picked up a 3rd bike on the back of this bike rack. We actually had to zip tie, basically, 2 road bikes together because we don't have enough room on the bike rack to put this other big one on. And we had a giant, like a hybrid style mountain bike, urban commuter kind of thing. We bought it for 40 bucks just now. And it'll resell for around 140 to about 180. So yeah, that's what's up. You can kind of see the bikes in tow right there. That's pretty much the end of the day right there. We're gonna go get some tacos. We have to. I mean, super TLP today. I think
tacos.
3 taco down. Oh my gosh. So yeah, an incredible day. I mean, I would say relatively well planned as well, but just almost like nearly no competition, which really surprises me. Because it's almost unacceptable. If you're a reseller, like, we should not have been able to pick up as much as we picked up today. With the amount of garage sales that there were today. There weren't that many. So we like hit home runs on almost every single one. And if you're a reseller out there, you're slipping. You really are slipping hard. We're here at Taco Deli, but I'm gonna end the vlog here because, you know, we found some good things. I hope you had some fun with us. I'm gonna cut the taco footage out. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, put a comment down below, hit the like button. E-Money.
Yeah.
Good day, right?
Great day.
We'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.